Refund and money back on Uber Eats. In this video, you are going to learn how to refund and get your money back on Uber Eats. So let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the profile icon on your account name in the app to access the menu. From the menu, select orders or order history to view a list of your past orders. Now select the order, locate the order for which you want to request a refund and tap on it to open the order details. From here, request a refund. Within the order details, look for an option to request a refund. This option is typically labeled Help or Get Help. Tap on it to proceed. After that, choose a refund reason. Select the reason for your refund request from the available options. Common reasons include receiving the wrong item, missing items, or quality issues with the food. Submit your request. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. You may be asked to provide additional details or documentation to support your request, such as photos of the issue. After that, number 7, wait for confirmation. After submitting your refund request, you may receive an email or notification in the app confirming that your request has been received and is being processed. Once your refund request is approved, the refunded amount will typically be returned to the original payment method used for the order. This process may take a few days to reflect in your account depending on your bank or payment provider. That's all. That's how you can easily refund and get your money back on Uber Eats. That's all.